Hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. And in this case, we are gonna use and pay with a Revolut virtual card. How to do that? Okay, first of all, you may have Revolut account, and even if you have nothing here, we just hit on the top right in the card section, and in the cards we are gonna go to add new. Which card are we going to use? No physical, no disposable, but yes, virtual, because I'm gonna buy it in Amazon something. Okay, so just hit on here, select your color. In this case it's gonna be this pistachio green, so get virtual card for free. And as easy, okay, my card name, Amazon Shopping, for example, to recognize, create card, and hooray, my card is already done. So now in my card section, I have Amazon Shopping, and you cannot see for privacy reasons here, but I have my card here, and there is a button where it says show details. I have to authorize, and here I have my virtual card details. Okay, remember it starts with 5354. Okay, so let's go to Amazon for shopping. As I said, I'm in Amazon here, but it's in Spanish. Okay, don't worry, because now I'm gonna buy food for my cat. So how I can do that? Okay, the product. Here I have a lot of payments methods. So now I have to hit add a credit card, add a debit or credit card. Okay, and in my card number I have to put the 5354, my new card details. Okay, and here I have fulfilled all the details. I will say add this card. It says there is a problem because I have to say if I want to save this card for the future shopping. In this case no, because this is for just for an example. So add the card, add card, and I have here my 3834 ending card, and here it says 40 euro in total. So I will say continue. So it is saying that it will come like 2 days later. I will say okay, buy now, processing this card, and order complete. Okay, so now we go to my Revolut main account, and it says Amazon. I have done this one with my 3834 card, virtual card number. So as simple as this works, these virtual cards. Now if I say I don't want to use this one because I think it can be Amazon, I don't trust in this retail, so I want to freeze, just hit there, and as you can see we have here, and we can freeze the account in the middle to, okay, I say freeze, and this is freeze or unfreeze. I can check again the option or terminate. In this case I'm gonna terminate because this card was as an example, so I will say terminate, and it says terminate card here. Yes, terminate card. This card is permanently removed from my life, and now in my card section there is no more this card. But as simple as this, you can use any virtual cards for any shopping. And the same way it works the disposable one, but the thing is, disposable after one purchase is gonna be terminated automatically, so you cannot use it again, also as we did in this example. So I hope you like the video. As you see, it's very easy to use it. Comment if you have anything to say, push the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.